People tell me that they don't want to try hand tool woodworking because, come on, this is ridiculous. How could I ever thickness a board with this plane, with these thin, wispy little shavings? I'd be here all day. But for working fast, you don't use a plane like this. You use a plane like this. This is a coarse plane. It's got a curved blade and a wide mouth. And it makes chips, not wispy little shavings. For new hand tool woodworkers, this tool is the light bulb moment because you realize that hand tools can be fast. If your coarse plane is short, like one of these, then it's called a scrub plane. But if it's longer, like this plane or this one, then it's usually called a fore plane, spelled F-O-R-E. And that's a contraction of the word before, because a medium-length coarse plane like this was used before the other planes. Personally, I like the longer fore plane, but when you're talking about coarse planes, length doesn't matter that much. What matters is the blade. Your plane might already have a little camber at the edge, but that won't do it. You need an aggressive curve. I usually go with a 10-inch radius. Converting a blade from straight to curved is a little project. I usually make a paper template with my 10-inch radius, put that template over my blade and color it in with Sharpie. Then I use my bench grinder to make the radius, reset the tool rest, and grind in the bevel. Then I hone and strop the blade. It's possible to do all of this on sandpaper with a honing guide, but it's a chore. For people who don't have an electric grinder or aren't confident using it yet, wouldn't it be better if you could just buy a blade that already had that curve? Well, now you can. This is the Razor's Edge curved plane blade from my company, Compass Rose Tools. We've already shaped the curve right into the edge and machined in a bevel that follows that curve perfectly. Here's our blade straight out of the package. We've got a little edge protector because our blades come sharp. Just screw on your chip breaker and drop the blade into your plane. Then check the mouth. This old Victor plane comes with a wide mouth, so I don't need to change anything. Just get straight to work. Here's pine, and walnut, and oak. No problem. Of course, all the woodworking nerds want to know, what steel did we use? Well, this is called AEBL. It's a Swedish steel developed for the razor blade industry. You know, shaving. For years, I've been telling people I like O1 steel because it has decent edge retention, but more importantly, it sharpens up fast and easy, and it gets really sharp. And AEBL is almost the same. Quick sharpening, good edge, but it holds an edge longer than O1. And because it's made for the wet environment of shaving, it's corrosion resistant. So if you've got a damp shop or you work with green wood, our blades fight rust. But hold on, Rex. If you like this steel so much, why aren't you already using it? Well, I am. We had the prototype AEBL blades made to look like vintage Stanley blades. So I could test them out on camera and see whether I liked them. Nobody would notice. I've been using this AEBL steel for over a year, and I like it so much that in addition to the curved blades, we're also doing a limited run of straight irons for number 4 and number 5 sized hand plane. And we sent our steel off for third-party testing by Mr. James Wright. He put our blades through the exact same rigorous tests he uses for his famous plane test videos. And the results he got were great. AEBL sharpens up quick and easy like O1, but it holds an edge longer. And James is going to make his datasheet public, so everybody can see the results. So should you just have one good plane and then switch back and forth between a curved and a straight iron? Well, you can, but that might not be the best thing to do. If your favorite plane has a really tight mouth, something around 3/16 of an inch, it's probably not wide enough to pass those thicker shavings. And I hate to modify good planes, especially vintage ones. Luckily, there's great news about this. There's a ton of planes out there that just come with wider mouths. This is a Victor plane. It was still made by Stanley back in the 1950s, but more of a carpentry plane, a little less expensive. Still not very collectible today, so you can find these really inexpensively online, but they're great planes. And they already come with a wider mouth, around a quarter of an inch. And that extra bit of distance, well, it makes all the difference because those thicker shavings can glide right through. And there's great other vintage brands out there like Sargent and Craftsman. They usually come with wider mouths too. If you'd like to go with something new, this Jorgensen plane will work. The iron will drop right in, but you might have to file the mouth open a tiny bit for the shavings to really clear. If you need something super cheap, how about this great neck plane, which I'm pretty sure is also the Amazon Basics plane. This morning, I dropped one of our curved irons into this plane with no adjustments whatsoever and instant scrub plane. And you cannot argue with the price. The Razor's Edge plane blades are 2 inches wide, so they're a perfect fit for number 4 and number 5 size planes from Stanley and similar companies like Miller's Falls. And they are ready to ship right now at compassrosetools.com. And now the bad news. Turns out AEBL steel is a lot harder to manufacture than anyone expected. And the factory that made these blades for us said that they probably don't want to work with this steel again in the future. So we've got 300 of the curved blades and 100 of the straight blades. And when these are gone, I don't know what's going to happen next. We'll try to keep everybody updated with comments on this video, and we're really dedicated to this pre-curved blade idea. We think this is really important to have on the market, and we're going to try and keep it in stock, maybe with a different steel. But which steel and how long is that going to take to figure out? I don't know. So if you like these blades, and if you want one, now is the time to get one, because when they're gone, they're gone. compassrosetools.com.